Hello guys, I have an HP Pavilion G7 notebook that I'm going to replace the motherboard. So let's go ahead. First is remove the battery. I already took out the battery, so I'm gonna take out this bay cover here. This houses the hard drive. There's like you just pull this connector, it goes to the motherboard. Now I'll take out the memory. Then we're gonna take all the screws at the bottom. There are also 3 screws on the battery bay. Might as well remove those. Okay, this one is for the optical drive. Then you can pull this out. There's some more screws here. There's also, there are also screws here. 1, 2. This holds the keyboard, this part here. And this one goes to the system board. So this one holds the keyboard. And this one, I guess, is for the system board. So as soon as you take out all the screws, there's another one here. This is for the wireless card. To remove the wireless card as well. Okay, we'll continue. We're gonna take out the keyboard using a flat edge . Okay, take it out. Just sometimes it gets a little bit stuck because there are double-sided tape that are tape on the the back of the keyboard and on the here. So just make sure you take it out nicely, because otherwise you're gonna warp the keyboard if you force it. So this one, this part here, pull this up and then push this away. Now we're gonna got some more screws here. There's one. What else? Okay, now we're gonna loosen all the connectors. This goes to the touchpad, mouse. This one goes to the power switch. Okay, once you're done, that's the time you're going to take out the top chassis. To do that, we are going to get a good spot. Okay, there you go. Okay, now we're gonna start to remove the LCD assembly. I'm not gonna take this out because it's just only the motherboard that I'm going to replace. If you want to replace the screen, you might as well take this out, the whole assembly here. There are two screws on each hinge. That's the best way to replace the screen. You have to remove the whole assembly from the board and then replace it. You can take the frame here. You can take the frame here. And then that's it. But for this time, it's just only the motherboard that I'm going to replace. Okay, I'm going to take this out. This is for the... It's just only an indicator, power light indicator here. This is for the speakers. This is for the hard drive connector. And this is the one I'm talking. This is the anchor screw. Okay. And then there's another one here. This goes to the USB port. And this part here goes to the power inlet or the DC inlet. But it goes to the DC inlet here. If you want to replace the DC inlet, all you have to do is just buy an assembly. Like for instance, this part here. This is a DC inlet. Just buy it. Comes with the whole assembly. Maybe less than $20. You can get one from eBay. Okay, we're going to continue, guys. Okay, I'm gonna take this out. What happened here? Uh-oh. Because there's some like adhesive. Okay, now I'm gonna take out this part here, don't forget. This goes to the back of the this portion here, the board, and this is where you screw the four screws for the heatsink. So you can take this out here, and then okay, I'm gonna take this out. There you go. Now I'm going to replace it with a brand new motherboard. Okay, so this is the old one, and this is the, to my left is the new one. Okay, so first is I'm putting CPU, which okay guys, I just happened to put back the CPU, the heatsink, and the fan. So, and might as well put back this seal battery. Oops, and the other way around. Oops, that's right. Okay. Once you're done, next thing to do is put it in. You got this in here. This is for the LCD. LED screen. Okay. Now this is for the mouse. And this is for the, I don't know, mouse touchpad. Assembly. Now this is for the power switch. Once you get it in, we have one screw that goes in here. And what else? First is before that, I have to put this back in. Memory. Okay. And the keyboard. Don't put the optical drive yet. We'll just test everything, just the basic components, so that we can get a post or power on, self-test. Okay. Don't fix it yet. Now we're gonna power the computer. Okay guys, don't put the battery yet. This is just basic, so monitor, keyboard, system board, the CPU, and the memory. No battery, no optical drive yet. Okay, let's power up the machine. See, it powers on. There we go.